Hi, today's video we'll look at the babies. That's Coco. Hey Coco. She's a blue fawn. Healthy, happy, and sleepy. Then we have Zeus. Zeus here. Zeus, he's the only male. He's sleeping. Coco, she starts crying. I don't know why. Why are you crying? You wanna flip? Okay. Good girl. Flip it. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Yeah, you did. Good girl. Good girl, yes, that's a good girl. Then we have Annabelle. Annabelle. She is the first one who came natural. She's still the biggest one. She did not shrink. I thought she's gonna shrink, but she did not. Then we have the last one. I really don't know what color is she. Like, I'm trying to find out. I keep getting confused between them. Let me see. Let me see who she. Hold on. She's golden too. Yeah? Yeah, they're trying to do their feet now. The mommy came in. Then she's trying to use her feet. Well, I don't want her to get out. There's Coco. She's moving around. Coco! Coco? Look what she's doing. She's cleaning them. I wipe them with the baby wipes. But she still clean them all the time. Yeah, mommy. Coco, come on, Coco. Coco! Coco! Come on, Coco. Come here. Coco, Coco, come on, baby. Coco. She went to her to clean her too. Look what she's doing to her. She's clean. She's clean. What you're doing? What you're doing? Rachel, what you're doing with Coco? She's saying, get out of me. Get out. Get out. Get out. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, mom. Leave me alone, mommy. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, mommy. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I am getting mad, mommy. Leave me alone. Go to the other one. Now she went to Annabelle. She's like one by one. She's cleaning them. She's giving them a shower. Oh my God, she's a perfect mommy. Okay, she's cleaning her again. So, yep, she's a cleaning her. And then the last one she needs to clean is Zeus. Okay, she's forcing them like, I'm gonna clean you by force. Oh, they're trying to open their eyes. I saw one of them today. She opened her eyes. I don't remember which one. She's cleaning her now. All right. This one, she's quiet. She's saying, "Okay, do whatever you want, mommy." Okay, now Zeus. She went to Zeus. She's gonna wake him up. He's sleepy all the time. Okay, look what she's doing. Even I wipe them. I wipe them all the time when they do it. But she's still clean. She's cleaning them. She cleaned Zeus. She's cleaning him. Yeah, look at her. So she's like giving them a shower one by one today. Wow, this is cool. I like that. Coco's still moving around. And Zeus is saying, come on, mommy, I'm done. Come on. I'm done, mommy. That's it, mommy. Stop cleaning me. Okay, she's cleaning him. My dog is so clean because I always clean them. Yes, I'm so proud of her. Now, let me see what she's gonna do after cleaning them. Is she's trying to breastfeed them. They're going down to breastfeed. Coco's Zeus is leaving, but he will be back. So when she sits like that, she's ready to breastfeed. So she cleans, then she is ready. One of them she's already starting under. So they will come one by one. So, oh, she left again. She's trying to get other one. I don't know why. Annabelle. Okay. Let me see what she's gonna do. Yeah, she's still playing with them. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So she keeps checking on them. Where are they? Is there anything hidden? Baby, they are all here. They're all here, Prisha. There's nothing there. Oh, I see now. She start to hide some food. Like I give her a piece of apple and then she hides it for later. I don't know why. That's a new attitude she's doing. I don't have really. I don't get sick of that. The whole day I am like watch them. They are so cute, and she's doing a good job. Okay, that's it for now. See you later.